a review for the best PowerPoint presentation and recording tool, plus a tutorial on how to make your video presentation more engaging and attractive. Hello folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, and today I am teaming up with Zoom.us to present you the best PowerPoint presentation and recording tool. With Zoom, content and presenter both are visible during presentation, and it integrates really well with video conferencing software such as Discord, Zoom, Skype, and many more. Zoom can be used to record video for video conferencing, can also import PowerPoint, have virtual background for your video conferences, and you can do all this in HD quality. With Zoom, you can make your presentation more engaging and more attractive. You can use it to live in a video conference or can also record a video presentation to present it later. So you can use Zoom for different scenarios. You can use it for online education, business cooperation, personal training, or anywhere you use a video conferencing, you can use Zoom. Just 3 steps and you can start your presentation with Zoom. Now let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. Download starts, and once completed click on it to start with installation process. Once done, click on launch to launch Zoom. Here it is. Now from here we can create a new video, can also import your own PPT to make presentation video. Let's create new video, and for that click on create new video. Now here is our Zoom editor with which we can make our presentation more engaging and powerful. Here at right side we have many templates which we can use to make our presentation. Just select the one you want to use and then you can make edits to that as well. And to make edits, click on add. And now from here let's change this text to hello, welcome to WM Originals. We have changed the text. Now if you want to showcase this text, we can do the same as well. Just click on the text and it will show up like this. Or if you want to showcase this picture, you can do the same. Just click on the picture and the focus will change to that picture. Now what if you want to remove the picture and add your own image? For that click on choose. From here we can select the picture which we want to showcase. We can also import a PPT as well, and for that click on PPT. Now just select one, just select the PPT and click on import selected. Now our PPT will be imported to slide. This way we can also add our own slides as well. Now here at left side we have many templates of the presentation. You can just click on one to move between slides. We can move between slides using these arrows as well. And if you want to add slide, just click on this plus icon to add an slide to your presentation. Now from here we can set the focus on presentation or the presenter. Just choose the way you want to. And if you want to set the focus on presentation only, you can select this one as well. Now what if you want to add a watermark, and well, we can also do that. For that click on watermark. Now from here we can select one, and for that click on customize. Select the logo or picture you want to showcase as watermark and it will get added to your presentation. We can set the position of watermark as well. So this way we can also add a watermark to our presentation video. Now if you want to, we can record our presentation right away and then showcase it later during presentation. Or if you want to showcase it live during any video conference, we can also do that as well. I will show you how to do it, but before that let me show you some more features of Zoom. And for that click on start now and set the focus on presenter. Now from here we can set the transparency effect as well. Just move this slider to set it. Now let's select picture in picture camera effect to enable more settings. Now from here we can set the camera size by moving this slider. We can do it manually as well. We can select the window from here. We can select it to circle or rectangular as well. The select as you want to showcase, and from here we can remove background as well. Just click on this and your background will be removed. From here we can set the position as well. So just choose one and your position will get changed. We can do it manually as well, just like this. Now if you want to, we can add beauty effects as well. Just click on this and beauty effects will be added. We can add filters as well. Just select the one and it will get added to your video. Well, you can do it if you want to. Now what if you want to add a virtual background? Well, we can do that as well, and for that click on background. And before we change the background, let's move the focus to presenter, and for that click on this. And now from here we can select any of the templates and our background will be changed to that. There are so many choices available. Just select one and your background will be changed. There are so many choices. You can choose any of them you want to. Just click on one and your background will get changed to that. Now from here, if you want to, we can record our presentation by clicking on this. But if you want to showcase during our live presentation or live video conference or during a Zoom video call, well, you can do that as well. And this is what I am going to do right now. Well, now suppose that you are doing a Zoom video conference and want to showcase your presentation. Well, you can do that as well. Well, for that click on share screen and from here select Zoom content and then click on share. Now whatever we do on Zoom window will get shared with others in Zoom video call, and this way we can showcase our presentation with others as well. And once we are done, we can just click on stop share and then click on end meeting for all. Now this way we can share our presentation with others during a live video conference. Now what if we want to record it and then later show it? Well, for that just click on record and our recording will start. Now whatever we do on our window will get recorded, and this way we can record our presentation video. And once we are done, we can click on done. And thereafter from here we can play it or can also save it. Click on save and then give it a name, giving it name as Zoom video presentation, and then click on save. And now our presentation will get saved. I just love how easily we can make your presentation more engaging and more attractive. I will highly recommend you to try it as it is completely free with all its features. And if you want to try, check the link in description and pin comment. This is what I had in this video. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.